You want to learn network security? Well, here's 7 best network security courses online, free, plus paid. First course, the Ultimate Network Security Training Course, all in one by Udemy. This course is produced to guide you about the architecture of a network and the different techniques used to secure it. Topics covered are open system interconnection, types of transmission, networking foundations, network services, wireless networks, protocols, different sizes of network attacks. You will be able to understand the formation of a network and its various elements. You will pick up the foundations of networking. You will study the types of transmission. You will learn about the possible network attacks. You will be able to grasp the concept of protocols. The course can be joined by any one of you interested in network security. To enroll this course, click the link in the description box. Second course, Learning Network Technology and Security by Udemy. This program enables you to learn the countermeasures in order to protect and secure your network efficiently. Topic covered are OSI model, TCP/IP protocols, transmission media, technologies, network infrastructure, wireless networking, attacks on networks. You will prepare yourself to construct and maintain a secure network. You will get to know a lot of technologies used to protect networks. You will be able to study the architecture of a network. You will learn TCP/IP protocols. You will be able to learn about various types of network attacks. The course can be joined by masses wanting to study network security. To enroll this course, click the link in the description box. Third course, Zero Trust Networking, the Future of Network Security by Udemy. This course is designed to teach you all about zero trust networks and the techniques to implement them. Topics covered are basic concepts, current state, implementation challenges, NIST guidance, 5 basic steps to build a zero trust network, zero trust architecture, articles on zero trust. You will get the practical knowledge of zero trust networks. You will gain information about the history of zero trust. You will be able to know the reasons behind choosing a zero trust. You will get to know the evolution as well as the present state of zero trust. You will learn the basic necessary steps needed to construct a zero trust network. The course can be joined by everyone having passion for acquiring practical knowledge of network security. To enroll this course, click the link in the description box. Fourth course, Network Security by Coursera. It is a part of the Certified Cybersecurity Specialization. This course gives you a comprehensive model to study the foundations of securing a network. Topics covered are network concepts, network models, common threats and attacks, infrastructure of network security review. You will learn the basic networking terminology. You will get to know the tools used to recognize and prevent threats. You will be able to identify various types of network attacks. You will learn about network security reviews. You will learn all about the infrastructure of network security. The course can be joined by a public desiring to grasp the skills of network security. To enroll this course, click the link in the description box. Fifth course, Network Security and Database Vulnerabilities by Coursera. This course lays out a guide to teach you step by step about the basic network security. Topics covered are TCP/IP framework, basic IP addressing, OSI model, introduction of databases, injection vulnerability. You will learn the beginner-level concepts of network security. You will be able to study IP addressing. You will learn the vulnerabilities of databases. You will get an idea of TCP/IP. You will learn the OS command injection and SQL injection. The course can be joined by people who want to study network security. To enroll this course, click the link in the description box. Sixth course, Network Security by Great Learning, free course. This course enables you to grasp the necessary skills to prevent your networks from unauthorized threats. Topics covered are cybersecurity, its needs, types of cybersecurity, what is a network, reference model, network security, types of attacks, network security attacks, network vulnerabilities, tools used for security, security protocols, network security solutions, network security engineer. You will get knowledge of cybersecurity and its types. You will understand the network security and the different types of attacks. You will know how to become a network security engineer and also know their roles. You will study about network vulnerabilities. You will get information on getting valid certifications of network security. The course is for anyone who wants to study network security from a free online platform. To enroll this course, click the link in the description box. If you want to learn about cybersecurity, click on the I button. Seventh course, Foundations of Network Security by Alison, free course. This course instructs you to learn the various tactics to enhance the security of your network, from awareness of risk to implement legal action. Topics covered are areas of risk, attack vectors, physical security, firewall, network access control, forensics. You will study the methods to minimize the threats, you will be able to identify the attacks and their respective approach. You will learn about anti-malware protection. You will study the protocols of wireless security. You will get to know all about data breach in detail. The course can be joined by everyone who wants to boost their network security techniques without paying for it. To enroll this course, click the link in the description box. Subscribe and click on bell icon so you can get updated more on the online courses. Thanks for watching.